And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And before I talk about how great our weather is going to be for the weekend, tropical update for you. There's a lot of named systems in the Atlantic now, and one of them has been Fiona. We've been talking about it now for, 10, 12 days. It's now post-tropical. Remember, it was moving at like 40 miles an hour back at 6 o'clock. It has gone from way down here to almost in Canada at this point. When you hear post-tropical, it means it's just lost its tropical features, but that's not a downgrade. Yes, it's a little weaker, but the sustained winds are still 105 miles an hour, gusts to 125, and it's about to impact the Canadian Maritimes as we go into tonight, tomorrow, and likely cause widespread damage for that area. Now, there's a lot going on, right? We got post-tropical cyclone Fiona, which we just talked about, tropical storm Gaston, which is affecting the Azores, tropical storm, not Hermine, but Hermine off the coast of Africa, and then newly named tropical storm Ian. It's got to be a nice storm. We have Ian Steele here. He's the nicest guy in the world. How could this storm be the one that's the scariest? It's going to be, though, because as it tracks north, it looks like it will become a hurricane and eventually affect Florida sometime next week. And where it goes after that, we'll keep an eye on it. But something that is definitely a concern in the tropics right now. What's a concern, too, is how cool things are. Everyone's like, what happened? The temperature's in the upper 40s to around 50, and the drop's not done yet. We got still 5 to 10 degrees more to go. So I would imagine that low to mid 40s will be the rule, but there'll still be likely that one area. One location that drops back into the upper 30s tonight. That is very, very cool for this time of year. And the breeze is still out of the northwest, gusting to 20 miles an hour. So it's kind of chilly outside for the middle to end of September. Much more than it should be, I'll tell you that. Futurecast, clear skies tonight. Yeah. Sunshine tomorrow, and then right into the noon hour. Boy, it looks good. We turn that chilly morning to some 60s by noon, and that's about where we'll stay in the afternoon. It's breezy in the morning, and that breeze will tail back in the afternoon. Through the evening on Saturday, really nice. Sunday morning looks good, lots of sun before the clouds start to build in sometime by early afternoon. Once that cloud cover comes in, there's no rain immediately, but it does look like it will take the sunshine away, and pretty much by 2 or 3 o'clock will be pretty much overcast. So Saturday's setting up to be the brighter of the 2 days for the weekend, and then a little burst of rain in and out through the evening hours, likely coming in after the Patriots game, and therefore the game itself looks to be dry. Once the showers Sunday night come to an end, a little shower activity on Monday, but mainly dry conditions, just a lot of clouds. And then Tuesday through Friday look great, lots of sunshine, and temperatures very comfortable, lots of 70s and 60s and overnight lows right around 50 degrees. Nick.
Oh, Jeff, look out for Hurricane Ian and look out for his partner, this guy. It's Friday. It's week 3 of